Guys, let's move now to our last problem. So I have here the function y is equals to square root of x. So this time, yung function of x mo is under a square root. So paano natin gagawin ngayon ito? Okay, so same pa rin, we follow the 4-step rule. So step number 1, so replace y by y plus delta y. Then still, yung x mo, palitan mo pa rin ng x plus delta x. Then, you transpose, di ba, y to the right. So, delta y is equals to the square root of x plus delta x minus y. Then, you replace y by the original function, which is square root of x. So, delta y is equals to the square root of x plus delta x minus square root of y. So, ito na papasok yung problema natin. Kasi yung function mo, you cannot eliminate delta x since under pa siya ng influence ng radicals. So, how do we remove radicals? So, dito papasok yung concept of conjugate. So, kung naalala niyo yung conjugate, di ba guys? So, you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. So, it means, ano ba ibig sabihin ng conjugate guys? Conjugate. Yan. So, conjugate, so same term, pero magkaiba yung sign ng gitna. Yung middle term, dito sa middle term. So, you multiply this by same terms. So, square root of x plus delta x. Pero, instead of negative, positive. Square root of y. X pala. X to x. Should be x, sorry. Kasi yung square root of x. Ayan, x. Ayan, x. Then, so, ito pa rin, square root of x plus delta x plus square root of x. Ayan. Then, yun na, multiply mo na lang. So, by using FOIL method, so, magiging delta y. So, of course, ito guys, pag FOIL method nyo to, kung papansinin nyo, since magkaiba yung sign nito, same term, so, yung middle, ito guys, middle terms ito, magka-cancel yan. Okay, so, magiging yari na lang yan. So, i-multiply mo lang yan. So, multiply, square root, so, magka-cancel. So, magiging x plus delta x naman, di ba, pag multiply. Then, ito rin, square root of x times square root of x minus x na lang, di ba? All over. So, itong denominator mo, square root of x plus delta x plus square root of x. Then, kung papansinin mo, if you remove the parentheses, so x minus x, so, magka-cancel na yun, di ba? So, may iwan na lang sa'yo. So, x plus, so, tanggalin natin sa parentheses, all over, square root of x plus delta x plus square root of x. So, cancel. Square root of x na lang. Diba? Then, divide both sides by delta x. So, if you divide both sides, so of course, delta x, 0, hindi. 1. Okay? So, your answer will be delta y. Ay, pa pala. So, may step 4 pa. So, magiging 1 over square root of x plus delta x plus square root of x. Ayun na. Then, to get or to have the finishing touch sa solution natin, so if you get the limit, diba, of both sides as delta x approaches 0, so of course, yung ano mo dito guys, yung delta y over delta x, that's already the derivative pag kinuha mo yung limit, diba, of both sides. So, it becomes y prime or pwede ring dy over dx is equals to 1 over the square root of x plus delta x plus square root of x. So, of course, di ba, gagawin mo, yung delta x, papalitan mo ng 0 as delta x approaches 0. So, magiging, so y prime is equals to 1 over the square root of x plus 0 plus square root of x. And what is 1 over square root of x plus square root of x? Since parehas yung radicand, mag-a-add yung coefficient dito. So, 1 plus 1, so that's 1 over 2 square root of x. And this is, guys, your derivative of this function. Clear? So, ayun. So, papansinin nyo pa rin, di ba? Sabi ko, may magka-cancel out lagi. So, yun, di ba? Nag-cancel out. So, there's a high chance or probability na tama yung sagot natin. So, guys, tandaan nyo, it doesn't mean na may nag-cancel, tama na yung sagot nyo. Mali nyo, mali pala yung operation. So, may possibility na ganun. So, always double check kung tama ba yung algebra nyo. So, yun guys. So, you already arrived at the last part of our or parang yung last video natin. So thank you for your time, guys. So guys, sabi ko, if you have a hard time understanding, especially sa algebra, it means you need to review your algebra. How to simplify expressions, di ba? Kung paano mag-combine ng mga x and y. So, mga pagkuha ng conjugate, kung paano mag-evaluate ng rational expressions. Kasi guys, gamit na gamit yan dito. So, you need to review those. So, hindi natin matatouch kasi yun. Okay? So guys, on our next video or topics, punta na tayo sa mga differentiation techniques. Kasi guys, kung gagawin mo to all throughout, so yung function na to guys, believe me, so madali pa yan. So pwede maging complicated pa yan. Imagine kung gagawin mo yung ganitong klase ng solution, yung 4-step rule. Naku, sabi ko guys, so aabutin ka ng, it will take you forever. Diba? So dito lang may forever sa calculus, okay? So that's why, pag-uusapan natin yung mga techniques or shortcuts. So, dito, solve natin ulit to guys using those shortcuts. Okay, then i-compare nyo. Alin mas gusto nyo, yung shortcut o itong long method. So, actually kasi ito guys ay long method to. Okay, it's a long method of solving derivatives or finding derivatives. Okay, so yun lang guys. So, thank you again for watching our video. Bye.